Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can join a private server on Roblox. So if you want to play Roblox without random players joining, maybe you want to grind, roleplay, or play with friends only, here I'm going to show you how you can join a private server on Roblox step by step. So a private server is a server where only invited players can join, and it's perfect for playing with friends or avoiding crowded public servers. So the first method that you can do, you can join a private server. You can first open the Roblox app or website and then go to the game that you want to play, for example this one, and you can just scroll down until you find the servers options. And here you can just scroll down until you find the private servers like this. Okay, so now it's on the top, and then here you can just click on join, and if your friend has invited you, you can also click on join. So the second method, you can also join using a private server link. So some friends will send you a private link. You can just tap on the link while logging into Roblox, and the game will open directly in that private server. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.